Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile or in any Android mobile, how to update your Android phone to the latest update. This I am going to discuss. So if you are liking this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, go to the settings, then go to the software update and here download and install. You can read that it has been checked today only. In my case, in your case, just tap there. Now it will check for updates, and here my software is up to date. Check for your, if your software is not up to date, please update. So here it will also tell that last update, when the mobile was updated last. You wanted to auto download over Wi-Fi, just turn it on. I have turned it off. So this was the first thing. And the second thing, go to the about phone and then go to the software information. Here Google Play System update. From here it will also check for update, and if there is any update, just you restart and it will update, and after that it will tell when it has been updated last. From here you can also Android security patch up level, you can see, and you can see One UI version and Android version. So this is what I wanted to tell you, how to update Android phone to the latest updates. So this is what I want. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel.